The journey of Zhiwen Qian, designing an innovative UI/UX experience for ESRI's QuickCapture. Zhiwen Qian played a pivotal role in designing the UI/UX for ESRI's QuickCapture, a tool designed to optimize field data collection. As the sole designer for the QuickCapture team, Zhiwen utilized a user-centric design approach, conducting extensive research, user interviews, and iterative testing to create an efficient, intuitive interface for wildlife biologists working in challenging environments like helicopters. Zhiwen's design process included developing detailed user personas and mapping user journeys to guide design decisions. She focused on simplifying workflows and making the app accessible to users without technical backgrounds. By utilizing tools like Figma for wireframing and prototypes, and incorporating real-time feedback through usability tests, Zhiwen refined the app to ensure it was visually appealing, functional, and aligned with user needs. Key features of QuickCapture included a simplified interface, customizable templates, and a dynamic tap-to-tap method for data entry, making data collection faster and easier. Zhiwen's commitment to accessibility led to large buttons, clear icons, and an onboarding process for new users. Her iterative testing and collaboration with engineers and product managers helped overcome technical limitations and ensured alignment with both user needs and technical feasibility. Through continuous feedback loops and a focus on user engagement, QuickCapture has successfully enhanced field data collection for over 100,000 daily users. Zhiwen's innovative, user-centered design has played a crucial role in the app's success, making it a powerful tool for users in dynamic field environments.